Zach forever changing up his system, guys. Tell us what you got in here now.
2 X18 V2s, Corey Dean Recones, VFL 18K, wired at a half.
Good deal, man. Y'all go back and look at my videos of Zach's build. Nasty. And I know it's nasty now because he changed out the amp. See what this thing does. Now that's different.
A lot different.
Wow, floating towels and everything, man. So those are the X series, right?
Correct.
Man, woo.
1 day old Recon.
Really?
Yeah.
And you pushing it like that?
Yeah.
Did you turn anything down or you just push it?
Oh, they're down. They're down.
Man, that's totally different from the last time, guys. Woo. Man, I appreciate that demo,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Always a pleasure.
Oh yeah, we'll do it again. Sounds completely.
Yeah, I figured you'd know. Yeah.
Because that's more like the style that I go for, you know.
Yeah. I really like it, man. And then once they really all the way broke in and everything,
It's gonna hit that low one.
Yeah, it's gonna hit the lows. I can't wait for that to happen.